Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
Bitcoin risks a deeper correction as fears of a potential global trade war escalated following import tariffs announced by US President Donald Trump and China's Ministry of Finance. The Ministry of Finance of the People's Republic of China announced new import tariffs of up to 15% on some US imports effective February the 10th. Drug maker Pfizer posted a better-than-expected fourth-quarter profit, helped by cost cuts it began last year, as it aims to show investors steadier execution and growth after large swings related to its COVID-19 vaccine. Gold prices regained an all-time high, driven by investors seeking the safe haven asset after China retaliated with tariffs on the US in response to President Donald Trump's tariffs. Spot gold gained over 1%.
The sterling-dollar pair saw moderate gains in the last session. The Williams indicator is in overbought territory. The Bitcoin-dollar pair plummeted in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. The Aussie-dollar pair saw moderate gains in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The dollar-yen pair saw moderate losses in the last session. The stochastic RSI is in oversold territory.
Over the next few days, the economic calendar will be filled with essential updates, including high-impact announcements and secondary data releases. These events could provide new insights into market direction and trading strategies. These upcoming releases are essential in understanding broader economic trends. Investors should keep their strategies aligned with the potential impacts these updates may have.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.